go ahead and make a pull right here and pull all that damage out.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real. I'm hungry since it's just a time. That's a comfort to me.
I have a Toyota Sienna here. This one, it's just a small job. It got popped in this right front corner, and it's getting a new bumper cover, new bumper reinforcement, and I have to go ahead and replace this end cap here. It's all smashed right in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this one apart. If you guys look closely, I don't know if you could see it, but this one's been replaced before. You can see all the plug welds in there. So it's been done before, which makes it a little more difficult to cut apart, but not a big deal. All right, I got this one all ready to weld that end cap on. I bolted the rebar on to make sure it's sitting exactly where it's supposed to, the right angle and everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple welds in with this on there, and then I'll take it off and get the rest of my welds. I have a Honda CRV here. This one took a good blow to this back corner here, destroyed the lift gate. It's getting a new lift gate, and then it has damage on this gutter right here. It comes as this whole assembly, but it has a factory seam right here, so I'm probably just going to put this bottom piece in right in this area. But first, I'm going to go ahead and make a pull right here and pull all that damage out. And then once I get pulled out and everything else attached to this piece straightened out, then I will go ahead and start cutting this piece off. I got this one all fit together. My gaps are looking nice and even. Bumper bracket, everything fits and sits on there good. So this piece is ready to weld on. I'm gonna go and pull my tail light back out and get that piece welded on.